Welcome to Tap and Solve. Today we'll show you how to create an account in the TapTap Send Money app. Don't forget to subscribe to Tap and Solve. It helps us grow and continue bringing you useful content. Listen carefully. TapTap Send app never charges any processing fees. Your recipient will receive the money in just 1 minute. Plus, for first-time users, you'll get a 20 AED bonus using a promo code showing in the screen. So follow the steps closely. Step-by-step guide to create your TapTap Send account. Download the TapTap Send app from the Play Store or App Store. Open the app and click on Sign In. Select the country you're currently living in. Enter your valid mobile number and verify it with the OPT sent to you. Enter your first name, your own name, and last name, your father's name, exactly as shown on your Emirates ID. Provide a valid email address and create a strong password. Enter your date of birth, same as on your Emirates ID. Select your current living country, either Saudi Arabia or United Arab Emirates. Select the country of your passport. Choose the purpose of sending money, like family support. Select your profession or job title. Enter your local address where you are currently staying. Mention the estimated amount you plan to send each month. Choose the main country where you'll send money most often. You can change this later if needed. 2 final important steps. Step 1. Claim your bonus. Here's the bonus tip. To get your 20 AED or more bonus, enter the promo code shown on the screen. Then click Enter, and you'll see how much bonus you've received. To claim it, send at least 100 to 200 AED for the first time. The bonus will be added automatically to your first transfer. Step 2. Verify your account. Before making your first transfer, you must verify your account. Click on the verification section. Make sure you're in a well-lit area to take a clear picture of your Emirates ID or Saudi ID and a selfie. Once uploaded, the TapTap Send team will verify your identity and update your account. Final setup. Go to the Accounts tab, click on Add Card, add your debit card or salary card. This is the best option for fast and smooth transfers. Now you're ready to experience something new. Send money to your loved ones in just 1 minute. If you don't know how to send money, check the video on our channel, How to Send Money Using TapTap Send app. It's already uploaded. Wish you the very best of luck. If you face any problems, let us know in the comments. And if this video helped you, please support us by subscribing to Tap and Solve. Thanks for watching.